Mind unsettled by blood deficiency. Test your TCM diagnostic skills. The Shen becomes unsettled primarily because
Heart blood fails to anchor the shin.
which pathogenic factor is not capable of disturbing the mind?
Wind cold.
Manifestations caused purely by blood deficiency differ from those caused by pathogenic factors because they are
Milder.
Mild.
which additional symptoms suggest disturbance of the ethereal soul?
Nightmare.
Unsettled corporeal soul commonly presents with
Chest tightness.
Tightness with breathlessness.
the overall treatment principle includes all except
Except
Chest
sedate liver yang.
sedate liver.
yeah. The acupuncture method recommended is primarily
Reducing.
Reinforcing.
because of
Reinforcing.
blood deficiency, so you reinforce. Our topic is mind unsettled due to blood deficiency. Moxibustion is
Optional.
bladder 15 is indicated because
Back
Back
shoe.
support of the heart.
which point may be treated with direct moxacone?
Bladder 15.
Yes. Bladder 44 primarily
Tonifies the heart and calms the.
so that's just the neighbor of bladder 15. So you add 29. Don't ask me why. Which combination opens the yin wei mai?
PC6 spleen 4.
Okay. Uy, wait lang ha.
Sige ba?
Which combination opens the yin wei mai?
PC6 and spleen 4.
Yeah, so if you remember, for opening the chung, you need spleen 4 plus PC6. So we can say that you can pair the chung with the yin wei mai because yin wei mai is the opposite. PC6 is the opening, spleen 4 is the coupled. Opening the yin wei mai primarily helps
Nourish blood and calm the mind.
spleen 6 is effective for insomnia because
Nourish the blood.
which emotional combination weakens heart blood?
Fear,
sadness, grief, and worry.
So don't be afraid.
Yes, don't be afraid.
Typical complexion is okay.
Pale and dull.
Patients often appear
Fearful and mindly depressed.
women are more susceptible primarily because
They are more prone to blood deficiency.
loss of blood during childbirth affects the heart because of its connection via
Bao
mai. According to TCM, blood deficiency causes the Shen to
Lose
its residence.
which is not a cause of blood deficiency.
Excessive sweat.
Poor blood production commonly results from
Spleen deficiency.
difficulty concentrating is classified as
mental
emotional.
Feeling mentally ungrounded reflects
Shen, lacking nourishment.
which sleep symptom is most characteristic?
Light, easily disturbed sleep.
Blurred vision most strongly suggests involvement of
Liver blood.
Liver blood deficiency.
Which tongue finding is least expected?
Thick yellow.
The most characteristic pulse quality is
Fine.
a choppy pulse indicates
blood deficiency
in some cases. Which pattern primarily includes blurred vision and muscle cramps?
Liver
blood
blood
deficiency
deficiency
affecting the chest.
deficiency.
Blue stool suggests involvement of
Spleen.
Spleen.
heart and spleen. Blood deficiency commonly develops after.
Excessive intellectual work.
Okay. The first treatment principle should be
Nourish blood.
which point is the influential point of blood?
Bladder 17.
Bladder
Bladder
17.
20
Very
mainly.
Produce blood by strengthening the spleen.
Liver 8 primarily.
Nourishes
Refresh
liver blood.
liver blood.
CV15 mainly.
15. Settle the shed.
Anmian is mainly indicated for.
Insomnia.
Kuipitang is best suited for.
Heart and spleen blood deficiency.
Siwutang primarily treats.
General blood deficiency.
Ay, wow, familiar. Swanzhou Rentang is mainly used for.
Liver blood deficiency
Blood
with
deficiency with
insomnia.
insomnia.
Tian Wang Pushintan primarily treats.
Heart, yin, and blood deficiency with Shen.
Which food is recommended for nourishing blood?
Black
Black
sesame.
sesame seeds.
Which lifestyle advice is recommended?
Meditation and gentle breathing.
O diba?
Yes, let's all
Yes.
meditate.
Kaya pala. Okay.
Yes.
Moderate exercise is recommended because
Supports blood circulation without exhausting qi.
palpitations occur primarily because.
Our blood is insufficient.
Deficient.
Which clinical picture most strongly indicates heart blood deficiency?
Palpitation, anxiety, insomnia, poor memory.
The patient's eagerness to please others reflects.
Blood deficiency affecting the Shen.
Which acupuncture point pair directly calms the mind?
Maybe 14,
Heart and
heart
heart
7.
The primary pathological mechanism underlying this condition is.
Blood fails to nourish and anchor the Shen.
So that's all about mind unsettled due to blood deficiency.